Good morning children, I am Rajeshwar sir. So now dealing physical science, let us learn reflection of light at curved surfaces, and this is my fourth video. In this class we are going to learn important definitions, very important definitions related to this lesson. Without these definitions you can't understand the lesson, so take it as a granted, very important definitions. Now, first, in the previous video, we come to know there are so many points on the concave mirror and also convex mirror. The same points will be there. What are the points? Let us learn in the form of definitions. First definition: principal axis. Principal axis. Principal axis is nothing but the horizontal line. Horizontal line passing through the pole focus, that is principal focus F, and center of curvature. Center of curvature C is known as principal axis. Now let us see the diagram of which just now we come to know. Just in the previous video we learned the horizontal line passing through the pole, focus, and center of curvature is known as principal axis. This horizontal line is known as principal axis. What is principal axis? The horizontal line passing through the pole, focus, and center of curvature is called as the principal axis. Now let us learn second definition, that is pole of the mirror, denoted by capital P. What is pole of the mirror? Now let us see in this diagram itself. So this is the concave mirror. It can be a convex also. So a spherical mirror. The geometric center of the spherical mirror, that means the center of this spherical mirror is known as the geometric center or the geometric midpoints. Midpoint of the spherical mirror is known as pole of the mirror, denoted by capital P. Once again I repeat, the geometric center or center of the spherical mirror is called as pole of the mirror. Definition: geometric center or midpoints of the spherical mirror is known as pole of the mirror. Okay. Next definition, that is principal focus, or it is called as focal points, or we can simply call focus. It is denoted by capital F. What is the definition? Principal focus, focal point, or just to focus. Now the definition is the point on the principal axis where all the reflected rays converge or meets when incident onto the concave mirror, means when a parallel beam of light rays incidents onto the to the concave mirror is known as principal focus or focal point or focus. So once again, the point on the principal axis where all the reflected rays converge or meet when a parallel beam of light is incident onto the concave mirror. Let us see in the diagram once again. This is a concave mirror and a parallel beam of light rays passing on to the concave mirror. So all these incident rays, they converge to a points called as focus or principal focus or focal points. This is the diagram for this. This point is called as the principal focus. Now next definition, center of curvature. What is center of curvature? Center of curvature is nothing but the definition, the point on the principal axis, not principal, it is a principal, means importance. The point on the principal axis where all the normals converge or meet. Such point is called as center of curvature. Now let us see in the form of a diagram again. When a parallel beam of light is incident onto the concave mirror, these points, let us see how it is going to form. The reflected rays are going to meet at one point called focus. This is the parallel beam of light, whereas normals meet at another point called center of curvature. So normals are the imaginary lines which are going to be same in the case of plane mirrors. These all normals meet at a point called as center of curvature C. Okay children, let us see the next definition. That is fifth one. That is focal length. Focal length is denoted by small f. It is nothing but the distance between the pole and principal focus. Yeah. So once again, let us see the distance between the pole of the mirror capital P and principal focus capital F is called as focal length. So this distance from here P to the F, this distance is called as the focal length. That is focal length, the distance between the pole and the principal focus or focal point is known as focal length, denoted by small f. Now let us see the next definition, that is radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? Means it is denoted by capital R. The distance between the pole of the mirror, that is capital P, and center of curvature capital C is known as radius of curvature. Once again, the distance between the pole of the mirror capital P and the center of curvature is capital C is known as radius of curvature. Generally, as we have seen previously, R is equal to 2F, and from this F is equal to R by 2. That is, radius of curvature is equal to double of the focal length, and focal length is equal to radius of curvature by 2. These are two important formulas. Note it down. Let us see what is radius of curvature in the diagram. That is the distance between the pole of the mirror and center of curvature. This is called radius of curvature. The distance from pole to the center of curvature is known as radius of curvature. So generally the distance from pole to focus is, if it is 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters, then from pole to center of curvature will be, if it is 3 it will be 6, if it is 4 it will be 8. So radius of curvature will be double of focal length. Okay, today's homework. This homework is related to video 3 and video 4. So what is the homework of this video is, learn the definitions along with the diagrams. Along with the diagrams, and write and submit in your WhatsApp. Learn the definitions and along with the diagrams, and also write one time and submit in the WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.